Hello, my lovely students. How are you all? Hope you're fine. Today we're going to take the fourth lesson in chapter 8, AM and PM. I want you to open your box on page 394 and be ready with teacher Rima. Our objective, students will be able to tell time using AM and PM. We took the analog clock. We said we have numbers from 1 till 12. These numbers represent the hours. And here we have the numbers from 0 till 59 represent the minutes. And we said to get the minutes, we have to count by 5. Here we have the hands of the clock. We have two hands. The short one is the hour hand. The long one is the minute hand. And I said for you, this is an analog clock, which is so important because it helps us to tell the time. If I have here the hour hand is pointing on the 4, the minute hand is pointing on the 12, I will say 4 o'clock, 4 o'clock, okay? But if we let the minute hand moves, we will start 4 o'clock. If the minute hand is pointing on the 1, I will say 1 times 5, 5. So 5 minutes passed because we are on the past half. 5 minutes past 4 here. 10 minutes past 4 here. 15 minutes past 4 or a quarter past 4 here. 20 minutes past 4. Here 25 minutes past 4. Here half past 4. Now here I said the past is the mirror. 2 is the reflection of this mirror. So if it here 25 on the 7, 25 here 20, here 20, here 15, here 15, here 10, here 10, here 1, here 10, here 10, here 5, here 5. Okay, now here 7 times 5, if I wanted to tell the digital form, tell the time by using the digital form. Here 25, so here 25. 25 minutes to 25 minutes to the next hour, 5. So 25 minutes to 5. 20 minutes to 5. 15 minutes to 5 or a quarter to 5. Here 10 minutes till 5. Here 5 minutes before 5. We can use here till and before, and here we can use after. Okay? Today in our lesson, we will know more about AM and PM. As you see here, we have analog clock, but you know that there are 24 hours in a day. But on the clock, we have only 12 hours or 12 numbers. So the same clock is divided 2 times on a day, or is used 2 times in a day. Look, we said we have 24 hours in a day. The 24 hours here, we don't have them. We have only 12 numbers. So this clock, we will use it 2 times. Okay? So the clock is used 2 times in one day. I use it 2 times, that's mean I will divide the 24 into 12 hours and 12 hours. So the first round 12 hours, the second round 12 hours, then we will start a new day. If I have 12, you have to know that when the time is 12 o'clock, 12 o'clock, okay, 12 o'clock, if the 12 o'clock at daytime, here, daytime, and here at 12 o'clock at night time. O'clock at daytime is called noon, noon, or midday, noon. So 12 p.m. 12 o'clock at night time is called midnight, midnight. Okay, so AM stands for anti-meridian, anti-meridian. PM stands for post-meridian. Meridian means midday. This is before the midday. Anti means before the midday. P, post means after midday. So this is before the midday and this is after the midday. Let's start here. If we don't have this one. If the hour hand and the minute hand are pointing on the 12, we have a 12 o'clock, okay? Let's start with 12 a.m. At 12 a.m. we are sleeping. 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m. we are still sleeping. 4 a.m. al-Fajr adhan. 5 a.m. the sunrise. 6 a.m. wake up. 7 a.m. go to school. 8 a.m. we are in the school. 9 a.m. the first break. 10 a.m. in the school. 7 a.m. in the school. 12 a.m. Salah break. 12 a.m. no, 12 p.m. So we finished the a.m. at 11:59. Okay? Now start the second part. 12 p.m. 12 p.m. Salah break. 1 p.m. we are in the school. 10 p.m. leave the school. 3 p.m. reach the home. 4 p.m. eat our lunch. 5 p.m. and 6 p.m. do our homework. 7 p.m. Eat our lunch. 8 p.m. Watch TV, for example. 9 p.m. Go to sleep. Here, 10 p.m., 11 p.m., we are sleeping. Now with 12 a.m., start a new day. Okay? Good job. Why I have to know a.m. and p.m.? To help us to convey which section of the day we are talking about. If I say 12 p.m. or 12 o'clock, I go to sleep, or I'm sleeping at 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock at the daytime or the night time. So if I say 12 a.m., it's clear now. Or for example, 8 a.m., 7 or 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock, I am in the school. 7 o'clock. You are in the school, you mean 7 p.m.? No. p.m. It's night. 7 a.m. Okay, so we use them to convey which section of the day we are talking about. Okay, here, look, we have 12 midnight, that's mean 12 a.m., 12 midday at noon, 12 p.m., then start a new day to reach 12 a.m. again. Good job. See with me this video.
What is the time?
What is the time?
Kate is waking up. It's
This girl
7:30 in the morning.
wakes up
It's
half
7:30
past 7
a.m.
or 7:30 a.m. because it's morning.
What is the time?
What is the time?
Kate is having
It's
breakfast.
1:45.
It's 8:45
9.
in the morning.
She
It's
eats
8:45 a.m.
her breakfast. 8:45 a.m. because we are in the morning too, or daytime.
What is the time?
What is the time here?
Kate is going for a walk with her sister.
15.
It's 11:15 in the morning.
15 minutes.
It's 11:15 a.m.
in the morning, so it's a.m. Look, it's daytime. Here.
What is the time?
Okay.
Kate is
Reach
playing
here.
with her
So
sister at the
it's
beach.
2:30.
It's 2:30 in the afternoon. It's 2:30
Because
p.m.
it's afternoon. p.m. 12 at noon. 12 o'clock at noon. Now after.
What is the time?
Here.
Kate is
10
having her
minutes
dinner.
to
It's 6:50
7.
in the evening. It's 6:50 p.m.
50 p.m. because she eats her dinner.
What is the time? Kate is
Watch
watching TV. It's 8:20
at
in the evening.
20 minutes
It's 8:20 p.m.
after 8 or 8:20 p.m. because we are in the evening.
What is the time?
What is the time now?
Kate is asleep. It's 11:05 at
sleeps
night.
at
It's 11:05 p.m.
5 minutes after 11 or 11:05 p.m. Okay? Now let's do our here. 12 a.m. Most of us are asleep. 12 p.m. Most of us are eating lunch, or in our school we are making salah break, or we are making salah, we are having salah break. Okay, circle AM or BM. Easy peasy. Look, 3. He leaves the school. Good job. BM. He goes to school at 9 a.m. This girl wants to sleep. A.m.? No. 8 p.m. Here, 12 a.m. No, it's night. p.m. 12 o'clock. It's noon time. Circle a.m. or p.m. Look, we have the moon. So p.m. 7 a.m. in the morning, at the daytime. 11 at the daytime. Good job. a.m. 11 p.m. at the night. 10, they are in the school. Good job. 10 a.m. 8, they are camping at the night. At the night time. So p.m. Good job. I guess our lesson is so easy. Circle a.m. or p.m. Wake up. You wake up at 7 p.m. No, it's night. 7 a.m. Here. You go swimming at 11:30 p.m. No, because it's night. a.m. at the daytime. You do homework 5:30 p.m. because 5:30 a.m. we are sleeping. You eat your dinner at 6 a.m. No. We wake up at 6 a.m. in the morning. Here, 6 p.m. Here. Till what time you do the activities below, write the time on the clock, then circle a.m. or p.m. Okay. Go to bed. I go to bed at 11 o'clock. So at the digital form, 11 and 0 minutes. 11 a.m. No. p.m. Go home. Finish the school. Half past 2. So on the digital form, 2 and 30 minutes. a.m. No, we are sleeping at this time. p.m. Good job. And you can do this exercise according to your activity. So when you go to bed, when you go home. Donna cleaned her room. She started at 11 a.m. and finished at 2 p.m. How long did Donna take to clean her room? So she started at 11 o'clock a.m. in the morning and finished at 2 p.m. afternoon. So, how long did Donna take to clean her room? 1, 2, she finished at 2 o'clock, 2 p.m. So 1, 2, 3 hours. Clean her room, 3 hours. Margaret says when it's 12 a.m. I have my math lesson. Is she correct? Explain. When it's 12 a.m. I have my math lesson. You have your math lesson at 12 a.m. at the midnight? No. Is she correct? No. Explain. Because a.m. at the midnight, she has to say 12 p.m. Okay. So she has say 12 p.m. Okay. Match a.m. and p.m. Let's see. It starts at 12 noon. Noon means p.m. Midnight. Midnight means a.m. Thank you for your listening. Have a nice day. I hope you understood. I guess it's an easy lesson. I love you all. Study well and see you later.